3D printing has never been easier. Just load your filament, hit print, and voila. But here's the real challenge. What should you print that actually sells? After looking at thousands of listings on Etsy, I've compiled a list of 50 best-selling 3D printed items from the past year. These are products that people are actually buying, and they might just inspire your next big idea. Let's jump right in. This mini version of a TV holds and charges your Apple Watch. It made over $50,000 so far. People love creative stands for their watches. This isn't the only listing that is doing well. There are similar designs like this Snorlax that also did well, over $40,000. This Mikey Mouse charger cover made over $18,000, and this platypus design made $4,000. Here is why I would sell this item. It's in high demand. Over 10,000 people are looking for Apple Watch stands per month on Etsy. These stands are fairly small and therefore cheap to ship, and you can create endless variations. Don't expect your first design to sell similarly well. Create 10 to 20 different variations and see what style works best. The next product is a license plate kit for the Tesla Model 3, which made over $50,000 so far. People love customizing their cars, and there are a bunch of interesting Tesla gadgets out there, like this holder for your AirPods to wirelessly charge them, which made over $800 in its first 3 months, or this trash can for the Cybertruck that made over $900 so far. The monthly traffic for Tesla on Etsy is looking great, and it is nowhere near of being saturated. It is worth giving it a try. The next design is a toilet paper holder that made over $10,000 in 1 year. This design is proven to sell out quickly. This store, for example, uploaded this design twice and made over $6,000 with one listing and over $2,000 with the second one, and he is mostly just selling within Germany. There are countless other examples like this one, which made over 10,000 euros. This one made over $10,000 and this one made almost 4,000 euros. But why is it selling so well? If we look for toilet paper holder on Etsy, we see that there are only 20 pages of products. That's around 1,500 listings in total, which isn't even that much compared to other keywords. 80% of those listings are usually super easy to beat. So the competition is really low for this keyword, and if we look at the demand, we can see that this keyword is being looked up almost 2,000 times on Etsy and over 70,000 times on Google. That's pretty good. But why exactly this design is selling well is hard to say. It just seems to resonate with a lot of people. You can also try different designs that could sell even better, because there are so few products available right now. The next product is an accessory holder for a Dyson product, which made over $40,000. Their products are super popular, and not only the products itself, but the accessories are super expensive. You can already find a lot of files online, just make sure you are allowed to sell them. A video with all 50 products would be way too long, so I'm giving you the whole table for free to download. Just check out the Google Drive link in the description. If you want another video like this, please comment that below. Thank you.